you ever noticed how the weather can completely change your mood?
Yes, sometimes it changes my whole day.
It's strange, isn't it? The sky changes, and suddenly we feel different inside.
That's true. A sunny morning feels hopeful. A gray morning feels quiet.
And yet, we always say it's just the weather.
It's funny how people always talk about the weather.
Yes, even strangers in elevators or people waiting at the bus stop.
That's true. When there's silence, someone usually says, "Nice weather today."
Or, it's really hot lately. Or, I think it's going to rain.
Yes, it's like the weather saves us from awkward silence.
Maybe weather is safe. It connects everyone.
That's true. No one argues about the sky.
Well, sometimes they do. Some people love summer, others hate the heat.
That's true. And winter can start real debates.
Yes, some people say, I love snow, and others say, no thank you.
Weather is simple, but also personal.
It really is. The same rain can make one person happy and another person sad.
Maybe that's why it's such a good topic. It's universal, but still emotional.
And it's always changing, so we never run out of things to say.
That's true. Tomorrow, the weather will be different, and we'll have a new conversation.
Exactly.
Do you check the weather forecast every day?
Almost every day, especially before I leave the house. I like to feel prepared.
Prepared how?
Prepared emotionally and physically. If it's cold, I feel more serious. I walk faster. I think more. If it's sunny, I feel more relaxed. I smile more. I take my time.
That's interesting. So the weather changes your personality a little?
Maybe it does. It's like the sky chooses my mood for the day.
I understand that. I check the forecast because I don't trust the sky anymore.
Oh, what happened?
Last week, it looked bright and warm. The sky was completely blue, but suddenly dark clouds appeared and it rained without warning.
That's the worst kind of rain.
Yes, I didn't have an umbrella and I was very far from home.
Oh no. So you had to walk?
Yes, I walked in the rain for almost 20 minutes. At first, I felt annoyed. My shoes were wet, my hair was a mess. I kept thinking, why didn't I check the forecast again?
We always blame ourselves.
Exactly. But then something changed.
What changed?
The air smelled fresh. The streets became quiet. People disappeared into cafes and shops. It felt peaceful, almost magical.
That's beautiful. So the bad weather became a good moment.
Yes, it reminded me that not everything unexpected is negative.
Sometimes unexpected weather creates unexpected moments.
That's true. Maybe we need a little surprise sometimes.
I agree. If everything were predictable, life would feel boring.
Exactly. Actually, moments like that are why I enjoy conversations like this.
Me too. Talking slowly about simple things, like the weather.
If someone enjoys calm conversations like this,
You can subscribe and join us again next time.
yes, we like sharing these small, peaceful moments. And maybe next time we'll talk about another everyday topic that feels simple but means more than we think.
Like coffee or morning routines.
Yes, everyday things are never really just everyday things. Do you prefer sunny days or cloudy days?
Sunny days give me energy. I feel awake, motivated.
That's interesting. I actually prefer cloudy weather.
Really? Why?
Cloudy days feel calm, soft, like the world is moving slower.
Do you feel more productive when it's cloudy?
Yes, when it rains, I focus better. The sound on the window, it's peaceful.
Rain feels like permission to slow down.
That's a beautiful way to say it. Some people feel sad when it rains.
Yes, but I don't. Rain feels reflective to me.
Reflective, that's a good word.
It makes me think about life, about memories.
Do you ever open the window when it rains?
Just a little. I love the smell after rain.
Me too. It smells clean, like a reset button.
What's your favorite season?
Late spring. Everything feels alive. Flowers bloom, birds sing.
Spring feels hopeful.
Yes, hopeful is the perfect word.
I think I prefer early autumn.
Why autumn?
The air feels cool, but not cold. The colors are warm. It feels balanced.
Do you think seasons match personalities?
Maybe. Some people are summer people, bright, social, energetic.
And some are winter people, quiet, thoughtful, calm.
What season are you?
Maybe spring, optimistic, but sometimes unpredictable.
I might be autumn, reflective, and a little nostalgic.
Do you feel less energetic in winter?
A little. When it gets dark at 5 p.m., I just want to stay inside. It feels like the day ends too early.
Yes, the early darkness feels heavy. Sometimes it feels longer than the day itself.
Exactly. When I leave work and it's already dark, my body thinks it's night. I lose motivation.
Winter changes our rhythm. We wake up in the dark, and sometimes we come home in the dark.
It can feel tiring, even if you didn't do much.
Yes, it's like the cold air slows everything down.
But snow is beautiful.
It really is. When it snows, the world becomes quiet.
Like someone turned down the volume.
Yes, cars move slowly, footsteps sound softer, even voices feel quieter.
And the light changes too. Everything looks brighter, but softer at the same time.
Snow makes ordinary streets look special.
I like watching snow from inside with a warm drink.
Yes, snow is much nicer when you don't have to travel.
That's true. Snow is beautiful, but winter mornings can be difficult.
Still, there's something magical about that silence.
Maybe winter teaches us to slow down.
And to rest more.
Yes, every season has a purpose.
Winter feels quiet, but sometimes we need quiet.
How do you feel about windy days?
Windy makes me nervous.
Why nervous?
It feels unstable, like something is about to happen. The air moves too fast. Trees shake, doors slam. It makes me feel a little restless.
That's interesting. Wind makes me feel alive.
Alive?
Yes, it feels powerful, like nature is speaking loudly, like the world has energy.
I never thought about it that way.
When the wind is strong, I feel awake. My hair moves, my clothes move. I can feel the air on my face. It reminds me that I'm part of nature.
For me, it feels unpredictable. I don't know what direction it will go. It makes everything feel temporary.
Maybe that's why I like it. Wind doesn't stay still. It changes direction. It moves forward.
So wind feels like freedom to you.
Yes, freedom and movement.
That's beautiful. Maybe wind reflects how we see life.
What do you mean?
If you like stability, wind feels stressful. If you like change, wind feels exciting.
That makes sense. The same weather, different feelings.
It's amazing how something invisible can affect us so much.
Yes, we can't see the wind, but we can feel its presence.
Maybe that's why it feels mysterious.
And powerful.
Would you live in a place with the same weather all year?
I don't think so. I like change.
Me too. Seasons remind us that life changes.
That's true. Weather teaches patience.
And flexibility.
And appreciation. We appreciate sunshine more after rain.
Have you noticed that summers feel hotter lately?
Yes, weather feels more extreme sometimes.
It makes me think about the planet.
Me too. The weather isn't just small talk anymore. It feels important.
Do you take photos of the sky?
All the time, especially sunsets.
Sunsets feel like a reward after a long day.
Yes, pink, orange, purple. It feels peaceful.
Weather creates small, beautiful moments.
Even simple things, like sunlight through a window.
Today, we used many phrases like, it feels, it makes me, I prefer.
You can practice these sentences. How does the weather make you feel?
What kind of weather do you prefer?
If you're listening with us, what's the weather like where you are right now?
Is it sunny, rainy, cold, or warm?
And which season matches your personality?
Tell us in the comments. We'd love to read your thoughts.
And if you enjoy calm, natural conversations like this,
You can subscribe to Slow English Conversations.
thank you for spending this peaceful moment with us.
See you in the next conversation.